Now in the home page, after the feature section, I am going to work with the testimonial section. You see there is event section, but I am going to work with the causes and event section later, not now. Okay, so for now I am going to work with the testimonial section, and I am going to show you how to work with this section. How we can work with the testimonial section? You see in the testimonial there is a heading and there is a background photo, and those items can be used as the testimonial section items. But for the single testimonial, you see there is a client photo, client name, his designation and his comment. So I am going to implement that first. I am going to create a table for the testimonial first. So I am going to create a migration. PHP artisan make migration, then create testimonials table. Then a migration file will be created here. That is this one. This is it is testimonials. And now I am going to create the testimonial fields. One is, for example, the photo. Photo is a field. Then another field is name, the person name. Another field is designation. Last one is comment, for example. So comment should be text field, so I put here the text. Okay, so photo, name, designation and text. Now I am going to create the table. So PHP artisan migrate, photo, name, designation, comment. I think this is enough. Photo, name, designation, comment. Okay, now I am going to run PHP artisan migrate, enter. Now the table is created. So I am going to check the table. So here if I go to my project, you will see that a table has been created. Its name is testimonials and these are the fields. Okay, perfect. Now I am going to create a model. So PHP artisan make model. The model name will be testimonial. Okay, so testimonial model is created. I am now going to create a controller that I will put into the admin. So here PHP artisan, then make controller, and then into the admin folder I will create admin testimonial controller. Okay, so you see admin testimonial controller, this file comes here. Now in the top I am going to call use app models testimonial, because I will need the testimonial model to get the data from the database. And into here what I will do, what I did exactly in the slider, that I will do here. In the case of slider, this is my function. I am going to copy it, and here I am going to paste it. So the data here will come from the testimonial section. So testimonial, and here it will be testimonials. Okay, and here will be testimonial. Testimonials will be passed into here admin testimonial index. So in my admin, into the admin, I am going to create a folder that will be a testimonial folder, and into the testimonial folder I am going to create a index.blade.php file. This will be similar to the slider. So I am going to slider index, going to copy the code from there. I am going to come into the testimonial index and paste the item here. In the top I am going to change the page heading testimonials, and here will be admin testimonial create, for example. That is okay, and here photo is okay, and testimonial, the person name and designation I can show here. So name and designation. So photo, name, designation. The comment I am not going to put here. This will be testimonials as single testimonial, and here will be testimonial photo. So testimonial photo and testimonial name. So first one is name, and the second one will be testimonial designation. Okay, and here it will be testimonial. So like this, so all the testimonials will be shown here, and I will have to add a layout here. You know, in the admin there is a layouts folder, and here is sidebar. In the sidebar I am going to add the testimonial here. So this will be testimonial, and it will be testimonial here and testimonials. So testimonial section I add here. Now another important thing is to do, that is I am going to web.php. this is my route. Like the feature section, I am going to copy all the items and here paste it. So this will be testimonial, and it will be admin testimonial controller. So like this is admin testimonial controller, okay, and here all other names will be testimonial. So like this, and in the top I will have to call the testimonial controller, that will be admin testimonial controller. So okay, now let's check it. In the admin panel I am going to refresh. You see testimonials. I am going to click here, photo, name, designation and action. Now I will write the code to add the testimonial here. You can do it in two ways. If you want, you can just click on add new, and if you want, you can just show into a pop-up. Okay, so into a pop-up you can show all the data, or if you want, you can just separately do the things that I did in the features section. Okay, so like this, from here you go here, then back here, you go to the edit page, you back to this page, only section items are here. If you want, you can also do the thing this way. It is actually up to you how you will control it, or how you will make it. So in the case of testimonial, if I want to do the thing in the same way, then what I will do, I am going to show you, that is the sidebar is okay. I am going to close it. The index is testimonial, and here it will take you to the admin testimonial create. So here you see admin testimonial controller is here, and all the in my web.php route all files are done. Now my task is to add a create function here. So what I did in the case of feature or in the case of slider, I am going there. As I have a photo, so I am going to copy the items from the slider, because I have a photo in the testimonial. So I am going to copy it, and in the testimonial controller here I am going to paste it. So my function is create, it will be testimonial create. You see in the testimonial folder, I am going to close it, the model unfold. Okay, so in the testimonial I created index.blade.php. I am going to create more two items. One is create.blade.php, and another one I am going to create it, that is edit.blade.php. okay, so create, and another one is edit. So in the create I am going to copy the things from the slider. From slider I am going to copy all the things, and in the my create in the testimonial I am going to paste it. So create, here it will be testimonial, and here it will be admin testimonial index, and here you see admin testimonial create submit, and multipart form data is okay, because I need to upload the photo. Here this will be, for example, the name, then I can, photo is in the last, that is okay, name, then there is a, for example, this is text area, that can be a comment here in my case. So I put a comment here, and not editor, here I am going to put like this. So testimonial, name, comment, and another one is designation. So here I can copy the name from here, and here I can use the designation. So designation is here, this will be name, and here will be designation. So name, designation, and then there is a comment. So here the name will be comment, and after that all other items I am going to remove, and another one is photo in the last. So submit button. So let's check it how it looks like. So I am going to open my browser, click on add new. You see create testimonial section comes here. I can add it, that is name, designation, comment, and then photo, and then click on submit. If I click on submit, nothing happens because I need to fill up the required fields. So this is the submit. If you want, you can put here required. So if you want, you can put here required, then in the HTML required it will be needed. Please fill out the field. So this is the HTML validation. So I if you want, you can apply both the validations, that is HTML validation and that is the PHP validation. That means one is server side validation and another is client side validation. So okay, I'm not going to put required now. This is okay. PHP validation is okay for now. Now I am going to the function. Here you see when the form is submitted, I come here. First one is name, then there is comment needed, and another one is designation. So here I also put here the designation. So like this. If I go to the form, you see all are mandatory: name, designation, comment, photo. Okay, so here name, designation, comment, photo, and here instead of slider this will be testimonial, and this one will be testimonial testimonial model. So a object I create. Now I am going to assign all the data. Testimonial name equal to request of name, testimonial of designation equal to request of designation, then testimonial of comment equal to request of comment, and lastly there is a photo, that is a testimonial photo. Testimonial photo equal to final name. Final name actually it will be like this. I will add a prefix that will be testimonial underscore, so that I can understand by seeing the photo only which one is this. So testimonial underscore is very perfect here. So final name is this, and it will be uploaded to the uploads folder. That is okay. And lastly it will be testimonial saved. So here it will be testimonial created successfully. So let's check it. I am going to refresh. Now if I click on submit, nothing happens. Now I am going to add the testimonial. Okay, so here I can just inspect the element, and I can copy the comment from here for this person, the Robert Corral, for example, CEO ABC company. And then comment is there. I remove the white space from the beginning. Yes, photo. So in the case of photo, I am going to check in the HTML what are the testimonial given. That is team member. This is testimonial. Okay, you can put like this, open, submit. You see testimonial created successfully. View all. You see it comes. So you can use redirect the user to the route that can be admin testimonial route, testimonial admin testimonial index. I'm going to see again what is there. Admin testimonial index, right? So here admin testimonial index is okay. Now let's add another one. So I'm going to add new, and then after this person there is another one, that is this one. So here I am going to copy the comment from here like this, Robert Kroll, and after that there is a Sal Harvey, director, like this, Sal Harvey, director. So like this, and this is the photo. The photo I can use here T2 for example. Submit, you see it comes here and the photos are here. So this is the testimonial create and the testimonial show, and this one is working perfectly. Now I am going to work with the edit testimonial section, and now I am going to create the edit function here into the controller. I am going to the admin slider controller and going to copy this edit section from here, and also I am going to copy the delete section. Okay, so and in the testimonial admin testimonial controller in the bottom I am going to paste this. Here this will be testimonial, and I am going to get the testimonial data by the ID. So here this will be testimonial, and here testimonial edit will be the view file, and I am going to send the data into that view using the testimonial variable. Okay, so where is the testimonial? Now I am going to open the edit testimonial, that means testimonial edit. This is blank, there is nothing. I am going to open the slider edit, and I am going to copy all the data from here, and in the testimonial edit I am going to paste my data. Okay, so this is the testimonial edit page, and here edit, this will be testimonial, that is okay, and here it will be testimonial, and here it will be testimonial edit submit. Testimonial ID will be here because I will have to send a parameter here, and here you see this is heading, text, button text. Okay, so here I will have the photo, that means existing photo. This will be testimonial existing photo, and change the photo, update, this is okay. Button link and button text, I do not need this, I am going to remove it. The main one is name, and here it will be name, but this will be testimonial name. Another one will be designation, so here I put designation, and here instead of name this will be designation, and this will be comment, so this is comment, and here the name will be also comment, and instead of slider it will be testimonial. So let's check it if it works or not. I am going to refresh, and then for example I am going to add a new one for a test like this, adding a photo. Now for example I am going to add this person's photo as the third one, this one. If it is working or not, I am going to my public, then uploads folder, and you see the testimonial underscore, this person also comes. Okay, now I am going to edit this, so click here, you see all the data are loaded here. So okay, but here not this one, here it will be not editor, for example this one. So I am going to reload it. Comment is not showing, why? Here not text, here it will be comment. Now I am going to refresh, you see the comment is coming here. Okay, that's perfect. Now I will click on update, and it will be updated. Now I am going to the edit submit here, and here will be name, then will be designation, and another one will be added here, that is comment. So here it will be comment, and from the testimonials table I am going to get the data, so testimonial by ID, and that single data I am going to put into this variable testimonial, and I will check if the person wants to change the photo. If he wants to change the photo, then I will check if there is any photo or not, then it will unlink the previous photo. So like this, testimonial photo, and then instead of time, here it will be testimonial underscore, then time numeric value will come, and then dot the extension, and it will be uploaded in the uploads folder, and this will be testimonial photo, this variable here I call also this, and these will be changed also, that is testimonial. Instead of heading, the first one will be name, the second one will be designation, and the third one will be comment. Last one will not be here, removing that, and here it will be testimonial updated successfully. So let's check it, refresh. I am now going to update the data, for example name, designation, comment, and here it will be existing photo. So change the photo. Now I am going to put this person's photo, update, you see photo is changed, also data is changed. If I go to table, you will see that the data is changed. If I go into my folder here, for example where I am going to upload all the things, that is into the public, there is uploads folder, this one is the photo, so the previous one is removed, and now the testimonial photo is this. Okay, so it is working. Now I am going to delete the photo. So in order to delete the photo, in order to delete the testimonial, this is the function to delete it, and here I am going to write testimonial here. This is testimonial, and here the testimonial photo will be deleted, and this one will be testimonial. So the testimonial will be deleted from the database, and also the photo associated with it will also be deleted. You see here, this one will be removed, and also this person photo will be removed from here. So let's check it now. If I go back to view all, and here you see all the person's photo here. Now I am going to reduce the photo wide a bit. For example, I am going to the index, and here where is photo wide 200, here I am going to give 100. Okay, that looks better, I think. So okay, now if I want to delete this one, if I click here, okay, you see testimonial is deleted successfully. In the table I am going to check, yes, it is deleted. And also from the folder, you see now there are two persons, the third one is removed from here. So the testimonial delete function is working perfectly. Now if I want to show the testimonial in the front end, in this section, how I can do that, I will show you. I am now going into the main home page now, and the controller is my home controller. That means into the front there is home controller.php. Going to open that, and here in the Tom section I am going to add app then models testimonial, because I need to add now to have the testimonial data. So going to copy anyone from here, and here this will be testimonial get, and this will be testimonials. Okay, so now here this one will be added into the last. There I am going to add the testimonials. Now I am going to the view of the home page, that is here I am going to the home view. So here is the home view. Here this home view is into here, that is home.blade.php, and here I am going to the testimonial section. This is the testimonial section. So testimonial items are actually here, this one, then this one, owl carousel item are this. So here, as I have the testimonials variable in my hand, so I am going to use the for each loop here and end it here, end for each. Now I am going to remove the second one. Okay, so this one. Now this is the testimonial items will run through loop, and now the photo will be this. So here I am going to use the asset, that means public location. There is my uploads folder, and the photo name will be the database item name, that is testimonial then photo, and here the person name. So here I will write the person name like this, and it will be testimonial name, and then it will be testimonial designation. So like this, designation, and the last one is comment. So testimonial comment will be here, so it will be testimonial comment. If multi-line I want to add here, then I can just see like this. So it should work. Now I am going to check it, refresh. If I refresh it, home page, then if I go to that section, you will see that this one comes. Okay, now I am going to change the photo of the second person. So if I want to change the photo and change the name, for example like this, that is like this, AHN company, and so for example the photo I am going to change also this person. Okay, so let's update it. From here it is updated. Okay, so in the home page, if I refresh, you will see that the second person, you will see that the second person also updated, the name is updated, and company name is also updated. So the testimonial section is now for dynamic here in this location. So my next task is to change the section content. That means in this testimonial section there is a background photo and there is a heading, but the testimonial content, that means the testimonial photo and others, this section is already done. So my next task is to give the admin to change the heading of this and to change the background photo. Now in order to work with this section, that is testimonial heading and testimonial photo, What I did in the case of feature section, I added a section item here. So the same thing I will do in the case of testimonial section. So instead of showing that into the right side, I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to change something in the feature item. That means I am going to the admin, and in the admin feature where there is index, I am going to do one thing, that is instead of putting it call md4, here I am going to cut the whole items and I am going to put it into the top here, and here I am going to use 12 and here I am going to use 12. So let's check it how it looks. The 100% is not good actually, so here I will have to control the image. That means here I will have to put void not 100%. I am going to use a class here, that is class equal to void 100 or 200 is okay, perfect. Now I am going to refresh. Okay, so section items, actually these are the section items. That is okay. If you want, you can reduce the status, this length you can reduce, no problem, update, and here is the items. Okay, so testimonial section items, and here you can write the feature items or features or something like that. So if you want to apply the same thing here, I am going to copy this, and here in the card body, here I am going to put features or all features, no problem here. So refresh, these are the features and this is section items. So in this way you can manage it, not a problem at all. In the case of status, you can do one thing, that is what is the status. Here I can give row call md 3 or 4 you can give here, and the whole thing you can cut from here, paste it here. So like this, that is good. So refresh, now it is okay. So this is show or hide and update, and this is the item of the features. So you can edit features from here or do something like that. Okay, that is perfect. Now I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to change to apply the same thing in the case of the testimonial section. So this is my testimonial section here, and here everything is okay. In the top I am going to add another section, that is the main section. Okay, so here this is section items, and here it will be testimonials. So here is 5 testimonials, and here I can give here, that is S5 section items. So like this I can put here. So I am going to testimonials, you see. So similarly the section items will be here, then under that there will be testimonial items or testimonials. So it is okay. Now I am going to create a table, that is previously I created a table, that is feature section items. In this case I will create another migration file now, php artisan make migration, and then create testimonial then section items table. So I am going to migration now, and here this one is the migration file. What I did in the case of features, you see that feature section items, I added these two, so I am going to copy, and here testimonial section items I am going to paste it. Photo is here, that means the background photo. Status is also I need, and here another one is heading, right? The section has a heading, so I am going to write one, that is heading. So if you want, you can make the heading nullable. Okay, so nullable field you can apply here, and photo is you can give mandatory, photo must be here. Status also mandatory, so no issue at all here. So I am going to migrate now. So php artisan migrate command like this, and then the table will be created. If you go here, you will see that a table created testimonial section items here, and manually I will insert a data, that is heading. I am going to check the heading, our happy clients. I am going to paste it here, so like this. And here the photo and the status. The photo is, for example, I am going to make it empty, and the status is show. Okay, so go, and you will see that there is no photo now. Heading and status is available, so that is okay. I am going to close it now, and I am going to create a model now. My model name will be singular form of the table, so PHP artisan, then make model, then testimonial section item. So this will be my model name. Okay, now after creating model, you see in my web.php file what I did in the case of feature. The same thing I added here, that is testimonial section update. So section update will be another one. Here I am going to check it into the feature controller, that means admin feature controller, and here section update was this. So I am going to copy the data from here, and in my case testimonial, here that function is also needed. I am going to paste it here. This is testimonial section update. So feature section item, here it will be testimonial section item. Single item is okay. If any photo not equal to null, then this one is okay. Single item photo, everything is okay here. Instead of feature, this will be what will be here. So here actually this is testimonial background, right? So here I am going to give testimonial background photo. So this will be the photo name. So this will be the photo name with time, and then single photo is okay. Status, another one that is missing here, that is heading. So I put heading here as an extra one, that is heading. As this is an optional field, so I am not going to check the validation of the heading here. So feature section items, here it will be testimonial section items are updated successfully. So this section I think is okay. In the top I will have to call the model. So here app model testimonial section item I add in the top. And another thing I will need to apply here now, that is here what I did in the case of here feature section. In the feature section, in the top I added like this section item, this one. So I am going to copy it from here, and now in my case I am going to paste it. So it is admin testimonial section update, and here is existing photo. Here not feature section, it will be testimonial section. So here it will be testimonial section items of photo. Change photo is here. In the row there is a status. One thing is missing only here, that is here I am going to use the text field. So from create I am going to copy the data from here, and I am going here, and in the top I am going to paste it, that is heading, like this. And here it will be type text is okay. This is heading. The existing data will be here. So here I will have to call the value. So value will be the existing data. So I am going to copy something like that from here, and here it will be a blade syntax testimonial section item of heading. So this existing data will be here, and in the admin testimonial controller in the top here what I did in the feature controller, you see in the top I passed this thing into the main index. So similarly I will have to pass from here, that is testimonial section items, and this is the model name where okay, and here I will have to pass that is testimonial section items. So now I can use that into my index.blade, that is testimonial section items. So update and these things, okay, everything should work now. Everything should work fine here. So I am going to check here in the admin panel. I am going to refresh. You see the existing data is here. Actually no photo is here, so it is not showing. And this input field I am going to put into a div in order to make it looks decent. So here like this. Okay, status is a small and heading is big. If you want, you can just make it smaller, that is perfect. But you see, this is here heading and there is no photo, so I am going to put the existing photo now. Testimonial busy is actually this one. I am going to upload it. Yes, it is working, there is no error now. And if I go to my file, that is actually here into the public uploads, you will see that the testimonial background will be here. So this is testimonial underscore background, this is the photo. Okay, so this thing I will have to show in the home page now. In the home controller, I have all the testimonial data here. So similarly, testimonial section item data I will have to be in my hand now. So here I am going to use testimonial section item. So testimonial section item, and here like the feature like this, I will have to use the testimonial section item of data, and this will be testimonial section items, and this one I will have to pass here like this. Okay, so now in the home page, that means front home controller is okay. Now I am going to the front end here, home.blade.php, and I have a status in my hand. So in the top I will have to check if the testimonial section item of status, right? So testimonial section items status equal show, only then it will be shown. So here this will be end if, and the heading I have in my hand like this. So I will have to use the testimonial section items of heading, that will be here. So like this, and it is heading. So let's check it first if it is working or not. I am going to refresh it. It is working. Now I am going to change it. For example, I want to change it to 1, right? So update, it is updated successfully. Here refresh. Now go here, you see the heading is changed, so it is working. Now if I want to change the photo of the background, for example this is the background, okay, so refresh, yes, it is changed. If I go here refresh, actually it is not changing because I did not give the option to change the photo yet. Here will be another one, that is background, you see here, right? So I am going to copy this one, and in the top here I am going to make it dynamic. So asset function I am going to call, that is public location, so uploads, and here my file name will be this one, that is photo. So like this. So let's check it, refresh, you see the background is changed. I am going to change the background again to its previous one, that is like this, and update, it is changed. And also this one I am going to update, it is changed. Now if I refresh it, you see that it is again changed. If you do not want to give the heading, it is also possible. If I just remove it, update, it is possible. Not star mark will be here, so I am going to change the star mark, that means it is not mandatory actually. And if this happens, if I go to the home.blade.php, here I will check, this is the heading section, right? If I have nothing in the heading, that means if this thing is empty, so that should not be shown here. So if the heading has no data, then it will not be shown. Otherwise, that means not equal to empty, then only this section will be shown. So end if. So now if I go to the home page, you see now there is no heading, it is not showing. But if the user wants to give here something like that, our happy clients, and then update, then if I refresh, the heading again comes. So you see the testimonial section working. If I am going to check the last one, that is hide. I want to make the status hide. Now the whole testimonial section will not be shown after the events. So events and news, there between that there will be no testimonial. Refresh, you see news, and this is events. So testimonial is now hidden. So if I now make the status show, update, and then if I refresh, you see the testimonial comes here again.